Hey team, I am so excited. I just got off the phone with corporate. I have weekly calls now, and I'm super excited about this crazy cool, simple concept that was introduced to me today that I want to share with you guys. Because I think if you could take these three disciplined behaviors and apply them to your business and your life daily, you'll start to move the momentum of your business forward. So the concept is called win the day concept. So every day at the end of the day, you're going to ask yourself, did I win the day? And did I focus on these three disciplines? So the first discipline is being completely committed. So when you say you're going to do something, you do it. If you say, which this should be a non-negotiable, you must hit Success Club 5 each month. You know, we are all in this to grow our business. We are all in this to potentially leave our corporate jobs. We want to help people. But the non-negotiables have to go a little bit deeper than we just want to help people. It has to go down so deep that you will do anything to hit Success Club 5. You will do anything to help 3 to 5 people a month. So staying committed to doing what you say you're going to do, meaning showing up to team calls, completing team coach trainings, anything like that. You know, you might not be able to be in every single training group, or even if you are in one training group, you might not be able to do every single day. But I can tell you that those trainings and the little things that you can apply to your business month after month after month, those seeds start to generate, and they start to generate, growth in your business. So the second thing is control the controllable. So this is the 5 to 8 activities that you are going to do every day. So we know that there's 3 vital behaviors: invite, personal development, and prove the product works. So you definitely have to focus on those 3 in your power hour, and make this list of 8 things. So you want to drink your Shakeology every day. You want to work out and share your progress. You want to invite 3 to 5 people. You want to form people. You want to do personal development. These are the things that you have to do every single day. So to win the day, to lay your head down at night at the end of the day and be content with what you did for your business in that day. Number 2 is you have to be committed to control what you can control. So those are your actions and your behaviors that are lining up with the goals that you have for this business. So the third thing is being fully accountable. So this means finding a success partner, meeting with me once a week. You know, if I have your permission to ask you at the end of each week when we have our meetings, did you win the day? How did it go? So you know you're going to be tracking, you know you're going to be being held accountable to these things. And that means that you're going to write out your goals each week, and you're going to, communicate with me or your success partner on how you're doing with that. So, like I said earlier in the video, I am now working with corporate once a week, and I have an extensive tracker that I'm filling out. So I'm doing this with you guys, and I know it's been a struggle for me to track my business, but I know that it needs to be done. So I'm going to ask all of you to join me in the win the day concept. So there's trackers in this team page. I really want to create like a culture for this team. Success Club has to be a non-negotiable, because if you're not reaching Success Club, your business is not going to grow. You're not forming that trust with people. They're not seeing, the success stories that are coming out of your challenge groups. And so, that has to be a non-negotiable if you want to succeed and if you want to grow as a leader, which I know all of you do. You wouldn't be in this group if you didn't. So if I have your permission and you want to set up weekly calls with me, find a success partner, let me know that you're working on these things. This is the year that we are going to grow. We are going to we are going to take this thing to the top, but I can't do it alone. So I'm looking for you guys to join hands with me and this team, and let's do things together. So I believe in you, and I pray for this team daily, for God to give us that fresh fire, that fresh, desire to overcome, to fight these insecurities that we have, because I have them too, and to go for the bigger purpose and the bigger plan. So leave a message below, comment below if you're ready to join me on the Win the Day concept. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.